guys, welcome to another video, and it's going to be a talking video. I actually posted on my Instagram. Hold on, let me go ahead because I screenshot them. I should have probably done this before I started the video. Okay, so I asked you guys what kind of videos you guys would love to see, and somebody said unusual makeup videos with the Jose pranks, glamorous bridal look vlogs, family vlog. Some of you want to see some weight, some gym videos as well. Someone wants to see a church video. Oh my god, day in the life. Okay. And one thing stood out to me, and it's more like a discussional type video, and it says weight loss, how is it going so far, what are your meals and your workout routine? And somebody said get ready with me. No, goals video and life updates since it's been a while. Yeah, I already did that. Alright, so so this video is going to be like weight loss related, or like my fitness journey related. At the moment I am not currently looking to drop weight. Let me explain. I mean, I know I'm gonna be losing weight or whatever, but I don't want to. I'm not actively working out to lose weight. I'm working out to build muscle. I did my first video. I don't show y'all what my motivation is, but I'm gonna show you again. So this is Rocky Giovanni, and this was not how she's looking now. She looks a little bit leaner here, yeah, but her thighs, waist goes, and this is Miss Pearl. You see her waist, her thighs. I love big thighs on women. I think they're hella sexy. And I'm trying to find another. Okay, here we go. Hold on. I had screenshot another. Did I delete it? I think I did. Okay, so let me go back to this picture from Miss Pearl. You guys. Oh my god. She is just. I am living. I am just living. So that is what I want essentially. So my arms have to lean out way more. My back, my biggest insecurity on my body is my back. I do not like the shape of my back. Not the shape, sorry. I don't like how my fat overflows whenever I'm wearing my waist trainer or my fitness belt. It makes me very uncomfortable. So I have a personal trainer now. His name is Dennis. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. His Instagram handle is fitness trainer DD, and I'm actually on my fitness page, Lyric Works Out. And I would urge you guys to go ahead and follow. I post my workout routines on there, everything workout related, and I also post my weight on there as well, which is something I shy away from, because as I said, I'm not looking to drop weight. I'm looking to lean out my top half, my upper body, and to build my lower body, and of course build that booty, honey. We're building that booty. But yeah, so I have never had a fitness trainer. I mean, a trainer before. I've always done it by myself, watch videos and the research and all that stuff, and it has been working out. What I have not been doing is pushing myself to the limit, because if I think I cannot do it, I do not attempt it. Or I think I can do it, I try, and mid-try I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't do this, and I lower the weight, I lessen the reps or whatever. So I end up doing myself a disservice. You know, for somebody at my fitness level, where I want to go, what I want to achieve, and y'all saw them bodies, honey, I need a trainer, because Dennis is pushing me in ways I never thought possible for me. I thought I was doing great. I thought I don't need no trainer. I'm gonna just watch some videos, I'm gonna do some research. I might have my own plans, my own workout routines, I'm gonna sell them. You doubt I'm gonna do that. And when I'm working with Dennis, it's just like, what have I been doing all my life? Me never did a train for true. I wasn't doing nothing. I was not doing nothing. So not that I wasn't doing anything. I mean, the volume has increased. So I'm doing more reps, more weight. Wow, honey, wow. So that's that. I am an avid Gymshark wearer, so all my workout clothes is Gymshark, especially the bottoms. Tops, I have only two non-Gymshark tops, and one is from Zaful, one is from Forever 21. But everything else, and all my shoes are from Puma. I love me some Puma shoes, honey. So all my workout shoes are from Puma. I have the Fenties, I have the Carsons too, and I have another Puma one. Oh, and I have a green one that's not Puma, but it is actually chic shoes, and they have really reasonable shoes and chic shoes as well. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how far I am. I can't get up and show you my body now because this is my 4th video today, but you guys will never know because I'll be switching it up on y'all. I'll be switching it on y'all. Wow, thank you. A number of you are following me on my fitness page, Lyric Works Out, and I am just blown away by the support. I know it's just clicking like, but you want to click like. You know, I asked, hey, can you click like? And they're like, yeah, sure. You know, it wasn't like, no, why would I do that? It's just clicking like, and that really means a lot to me. And as I mentioned in another video, just this year has been, it just has been, wow, a testament of my faith. So working out, going to the gym is something I thoroughly enjoy, and I'm just now getting back into YouTube. Hopefully my passion for the gym could be on par with my passion for YouTube, because at one point I just wanted to do YouTube, you know, and the money didn't matter. Now I'm talking about money, because no, you need to understand that my views, my goals have changed. Back then when money didn't matter, my husband working him nice job, and we didn't have any children. It was just us, you know what I mean? Now we have 2 children. Our lives have expanded. We have to purchase more stuff, so things need to be offset. Yeah, so things need to be offset, things need to be done, things need to be taken care of, basically. I am grateful for those of you who have supported Homie thus far. We only have 2 extra large belts left in our entire stock. There are a lot of things I want to restock for this year. I really want to restock the belts, the lashes. I'm talking about restock now. The belts are going to be a mega huge restock. The lashes. And I want to do the brushes this year, but that can be a restock. And they're just new brushes that I just have to get up and off the ground. Now having a newborn, having a toddler, and a life to go back to after the gym, it is now way more challenging than I thought. But I am absolutely grateful to have the family that I have. When Jeremy is busy and I want to go to the gym, grandma can watch him or mommy can watch him. If me are going out town and I'm going to have a long day, him can stay with my husband's mother. I am just grateful for the family. And even his godmother, Allah, we'll call her Allah, she's a part of Accent as well. Like, Allah will watch Jalil for me sometime, and I'm grateful for that unit that I have, because a lot of you don't have that, and you have to figure out, okay, what am I going to do with the child or the children? We can't go gym the time because we can't let them one in the house, and I get it. So do some at-home workouts. At-home workouts are going to be your best friend, and you can get results, because Miss Pearl, my achievable body goal, she has been doing at-home workouts for years. And homegirl built her thighs. She just started going to the gym recently, and then also stopped going to the working out for a period of time to start back mostly recently. And bruh, I'm just like, oh, Miss Pearl, I just want to meet you. I just want to meet you. Right. So it's completely achievable. If you want to lose weight, build the muscle, you can do it from home. It's going to take effort from you, and it's going to take some investments from you. You may have to get some weights or resistance bands. You guys can get resistance bands from the X Bands. I'm an affiliate. I'm going to put my link in the description bar. Click it. Get your bands. Get your booty bands. Get your dead bands. Get your gym buddy, because how I record my workout videos for my Lyric Works Out IG page is using my gym body from the X bands as well. So do check out the X bands. I'll link them in the description bar below. And I've been walking with my gallon bottle from the coldest. Go ahead and check them in the description bar below as well, honey. Yes, get those affiliate links up and running. Yeah. But yeah, and what I want to do tomorrow is take you guys with me to the gym and go through my workouts. No, but I don't know if you want to see like a full workout or you want to see like snippets. I love watching full things. Let me tell you why. Because I can gauge my resilience, my pace, my strength, my all of that stuff off of how long I see restful, off of all of that. So I am going to be doing an unedited gym routine. I'm gonna carry my vlogging camera tomorrow, and I'm a zoot. Sorry guys. Yeah, I'm a zoot tomorrow. Maybe it's something. Yeah, Georgia. I had an emergency. Oh yeah, the X bands. The coldest. Links in the description. Purchase. Yes. Yeah. So as you guys know, I started my fitness journey a year and something after I had Jonathan. That's my first child. He'll be 5 in May. So I did that, then got pregnant last year, and because of how tender my pregnancies are, because of how high maintenance my pregnancies are, nothing was just left in the air. I ate whatever I was craving. I did absolutely no physical exercise because I was just afraid we weren't going to have a very favorable outcome, you know. So, and by the way, to all the mothers out there, to all of us who have had miscarriages after miscarriage, I know you feel like your body is betraying you, and it probably is, but don't think that this is not what you're meant for. You know, miracles still happen. They can happen, and they can happen to you. So I'd love to tell you not to give up, but I've given up so many times. But if you can just find it in yourself to just push one more time. And for those of you with different illnesses that will prevent you from having children, and you want to have children, just commit it to God, because miracles still happen. If people are being risen from the dead, you can bring a child, a healthy child in this world, you know. So it's a side note. So what was I saying? Yeah, so I don't know if I was saying, but anyway, so I had an emergency C-section, and Jalil came into this world on July the 10th of June at 10 p.m. They slit me open and pulled them out of me at 10 p.m. It wasn't that time. It's in there. No, not yet. No, wait till 10:10. It's gonna make sense. 10 at 10:10. Goddamn, wait. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, so and I started my journey the month after. I started going to the hill. I think the 11th or the 12th, thereabout, or the exact 10th. I don't know, thereabout. And I went to the gym for about 3 or 4 months, and I went intermittently, like barely. Sometimes I missed out. I remember missing out 3 weeks, then 2 weeks. So I basically missed out a month and a half. Got some results, obviously, and of course I'm still doing intermittent fasting. But I'm telling you, man, my body responds to weight, and my body, I'm just knowing this now, working with Dennis. My body responds to heavy weight apparently, and it's not making me bulky in the areas I thought it would have made me bulky, but it's actually leaning me out. Oh my god. Dennis has the best core exercises, and their core exercises I've never seen done before. Their core exercises I'd have never done if I was not working with him. So yo, I have to give props up to Dennis. By the way, the gym I go to is Express Fitness, and they have different branches all over Jamaica. And I've been at talk to Express Fitness for months. I said, do something for them, I do something for them. You know what I mean? Because I'm not it's an investment. You know what I mean? But if by me going, people are asking me, hey, what gym you go to, then I'm going to bring people in to make you money. It's only there. I'm just saying. So I really want to work with Express. I really want to work with Express Fitness. I don't know how it's going to happen. I have been reaching out. I don't know how it's going to happen, but yeah, and I don't know how, but I'm hoping it will. And I keep seeing Dennis's praises, so people are asking me, yo, who's the trainer, who's the trainer, who's the trainer, who's the trainer. I'm going to have a 1 month before and after, because I take a lot of pictures every day. I mean, every time I train, I take a picture. So I'm going to have before and afters, and you guys can see for yourself, you know, what he has been able to accomplish. What I will say, and I have to give props, is my quads. My quads don't feel soft, and you see that pump you feel, that pump is prolonged for me for like days. Like I'm walking and I see my quad muscles moving, and I'm like, wow. And I have a lot of body fat. I have a lot of body fat that I have to go through, but I'm just confident. And I gave Dennis a timestamp. I'm like, can we do this by my birthday in December? He said yes, it's gonna take work, that's all I want. Then Dennis said, Simone, do not give me a challenge. I'm like, yo, consider it a challenge, son. You know, I know it's going to take a lot of work, probably a lot of me puking, a lot of work, but I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to do that. If you want me to do like a fitness challenge for the month of March, let me know. I can definitely just write up something real quick. I can definitely do that for if you guys want me to do that. So let me know. I can write up something. For weight loss, not for strength. I'm sorry, not for muscle building, but for weight loss. There's a difference between weight loss and fat loss. Right now, I need to lose fat. I'm not concerned about the weight, but more so fat. I need to lose fat. Yeah. What else do I have to say? Fitness related? I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead right now and go on my Instagram. You guys probably are not gonna be privy to this, but I want to know what you want to hear from me. What you want, like Q&A. So I'm going to post on Instagram right now about my Q&A, which, by the way, thank you so much for 55,000 followers, you guys. What? 55. I completely appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm going to post now, ask you guys what you want to say, and then we can do a Q&A. Alright, so another makeup video and another talking video. Yeah. Thank you again for your patience, you guys, and I hope I answered all your fitness questions. If not, ask them in the below, and then I'll just answer, you know. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.